For all of you chocolate chip lovers out there, you're gonna fall in love with this Skillet chocolate chip cookie. Psst, come here. It's packed full of protein, which is even more reason to really love and make this recipe tonight. So let's get started into the preparation. So we're gonna first gather all the ingredients and let's take a look at what that is. So here we have some pumpkin, then milk, some normal regular rolled oats, smooth peanut butter, coconut flour. This is great for desserts. Then we have some vanilla protein. This one actually is a birthday cake and it's pretty good. But basically what we want to look for is something that's not too strong on flavor. So you don't want to use chocolate chip or something like a cinnamon flavored or something that has lots of strong flavors. A simple plain one like a vanilla or birthday cake is perfect because we want all of our other ingredients to give the flavor while the protein powder will just increase the protein factor of this cookie. Then we have some classic ingredients for baking. Here you have your baking powder, and then to top, I love these two ingredients, some mini marshmallows and chocolate chips. And then we're gonna finish all of this off with some whipped cream. And I'm gonna use this canned one. It's pretty convenient. I just don't find it useful this week to buy heavy cream, so I can make a small batch of whipped cream. So this works great. So first things first, just preheat your oven at 350 and let's prepare our batter. So you're gonna need a whisk, and let's first start with adding in the oats, protein. Here's the peanut butter. Look at that. It smells incredible, by the way. Okay. Right, so now grab your whisk and let's start mixing. So as you can see, it's quite wet and it's not really like your classic cookie dough. And this is gonna give an amazing texture because what's gonna happen is the milk is gonna reduce in the oven, and then the protein, that's what's gonna help bind this dish together and really make it come together. And now all we have to do is transfer this onto our little skillet here. This is a tiny tin, Sicilian style cast iron, but you can use any other like a pie pan, like those aluminum ones at the grocery store, or anything that's similar to this. If you don't have anything like this, then you could also use a cast iron pan or an oven safe pan, and you can easily use that for this recipe. So we just want to lightly grease this with some butter just to make sure that nothing gets stuck. Okay, so now grab a spatula and transfer the dough into, or batter let's say, onto our pan. So get that in there. It's a really interesting texture and you're really gonna love this cookie. And now all you want to do is kind of spread it out. We want this to be evenly on the pan so it cooks evenly, and you can just lightly tap it just to make sure that there are no air pockets anywhere. And now's the fun part. We're gonna top it with our marshmallows and our chocolate chips. So just like that, sprinkle it on and lightly spread it. Do the same with the chocolate chips. Now this is gonna go in the oven for about 12 minutes at 350. Now look at that. That's what I call a cookie. That's big, fluffy, and amazing. Look at that caramelization on the marshmallows. Now don't get too excited. Let's top this with our whipped cream and then attack. Be careful though, it's hot. So get some heat pads on, get your spoons on, and we're good to go. All right, let's do it. Now I have to take a bite, so I'm gonna do that right now. It's so nice and fresh, and I don't know what it is about warm molten chocolate chips, but it really, really makes the big difference. Okay guys, that was it. This was such an easy recipe, so easy to make. Anybody can make this, and I want you to make this. You're gonna forget all about your favorite cookie when you're gonna have these warm Skillet pumpkin cookie dough. Let's celebrate pumpkin season with this cookie skillet. Let me know how you like this video. If you want more recipes with pumpkin and more desserts, I know I don't have many dessert recipes and I'm working on it. And we have some videos still on the way, and I really hope that you guys get to see it. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there and hit the bell icon so you know when my next video comes out. I really don't want you to miss it. It's gonna be some great content in the next few weeks. Also, the full recipe is available on cookingwithanadi.com, and there's so much more information about all the ingredients that I use, why do I use it, how I came about this dish, and so much more. You can follow all of the other great recipes that are on the site as well. That's it for this video. This is still warm, so I want to go and enjoy this right now. And let me know how your cookie turns out. And if you have any questions, hit that comment section down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like cookies. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.